Friends, are you also on the hunt for that perfect phone that doesn't break the bank but delivers flagship level performance? Well, today's video is made just for you. Because today, we're talking about a smartphone that isn't just a phone, it's a statement. That's right, Nokia is making a comeback with a phone that has left the entire world stunned. So stick around until the very end, folks, because today we are going to reveal the Nokia Eve Ultra 5G smartphone. And yes, this isn't just a name, it's a promise. So, without any further delay, let's dive right into its world of features. Features of the Nokia Eve Ultra 5G. Display. Alright everyone, the Nokia Eve Ultra comes with a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. This isn't just any ordinary screen, it boasts HDR10 Plus support, meaning every color is so vibrant, it'll feel like the world beyond the screen is real. And gamers, listen up, because we're looking at a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Every swipe, every scroll, every gaming move will feel absolutely flawless. In durability, it's got Gorilla Glass armor too, and an IP69 water and dust resistance rating. That means use it in the rain, take it to the beach, or even if you accidentally drop it, this phone won't let you down. Camera setup. And now, for the feature you've all been waiting for, the camera. Folks, the Nokia Eve Ultra is packing a 300-megapixel DSLR-level primary sensor. You heard that right, 300 megapixels. This is no joke. The detail is so insane, you could blow up your photo to billboard size, and the clarity would still be perfect. Alongside that, it has a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, meaning you can capture entire landscapes in a single frame. And an 8-megapixel macro camera, so even a tiny dewdrop can become an entire story. And selfie kings and queens, get ready. Up front, there's a high-resolution 50-megapixel selfie shooter. Performance. Now, let's talk power. Beating inside this phone is Qualcomm's most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. This is the most advanced and powerful processor on the market today. So what does that mean for you? It means heavy gaming, 4K video editing, multitasking, all of it without any lag, without any stutter. This isn't a phone, it's a pocket-sized supercomputer. And it's all powered by the latest Android 16. The user interface is so smooth, so fluid, you'll feel like you're using a gadget straight out of a sci-fi movie. Battery and charging. Battery anxiety. That term has been erased from this phone's dictionary. Because it packs a massive 9500 mAh battery. Guys, this thing is like a power bank. Even heavy users can easily go 2 full days on a single charge. And when you do need to charge, get ready for mind-blowing 125-watt super-fast charging. Seriously, you could go make a cup of coffee, and by the time you get back, your phone will be over 80% charged. If that's not magic, I don't know what is. Price and launch date. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. With all these incredible features, you're probably thinking, dude, this phone must cost a fortune. But think again. According to leaks, this spectacular Nokia smartphone will start at around $890. That's right, you heard me correctly, and this phone is set to hit the global market in just a few months.